Welcome back to another episode of All Things Considered. Today we're going to be repairing a bumper cover with a plastic welding kit from Harbor Freight. I've only repaired small parts before, so bear with me and let's dive into it. These are some of the tools that you might use. This is going to be the main one. You're going to want to cut off any of the excess parts with something like a knife. Make sure you clean it all up. And then this is the tool that we're going to be using. It's basically a hot iron that we're going to melt the plastic together with. While this is heating up here, I'll just show you some of these things. It's just a colored plastic. These are some parts here that we could kind of bridge the gap between the plastic, maybe some staples. This is hardware cloth, 1/4 inch. What it comes in. Don't worry, we're doing some prep here for that. We meant to do that. And here is a heat gun. In case some of the parts are bent out, we can use this to heat them up and bend them back into shape. I've gone ahead and already done a lot of the prep here on this. We're going to be working on the back side of this. So bring it in. Alright. So you're going to clean all of that up like I was talking about with the box cutter. Make sure there's no overhanging edges like that down in there. And then this piece kind of bends down this way. I don't know if you see it. It's bent like that. And so I'm going to cut off a little bit here, and then I'm going to bend that back up. I don't want to remove too much, because if you remove too much, then you're going to have to fill a lot later. But anything that's this off is going to have to come off. This far off of lining up. Be careful doing this so you don't cut yourself. Okay. So that'll be good enough for me. I'm going to use my heat gun here. Heat this up. And try and flatten this. Alright, that's working good. Perfect. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done up the rest of it. I'm going to use, maybe we can use like some files or brushes to clean up any of this excess stuff. I've already done that. So we're just going to do this one here now. Flat file would work better, but all I have is a round one. Okay. So some of the parts that we're going to want to pay attention to is that we want these corners to line up, down in here to line up, this corner to line up, and on the front there is a line here. I don't know if you can see on the inside here. That's also a different color on the front of the bumper. So let's get started with this here. So this has been heating up, it's nice and hot. I'm going to start with this corner deep inside here. I'm going to look on the front as I do this and reach over. So I'm going to get on this side of it. So bear with me. The camera's a little bad. Okay. So we're just gonna kind of tack this corner down in here and see if we can just kind of keep that there while we go ahead and tack the rest of it. So we're gonna go down in here with just a little bit, and then maybe tack up here, right there, and all the way around before we go ahead and reinforce it all. You want it to make sure all the lines line up first. Get one of these here. This might be your best bet, actually. Do this corner first. Oh yeah. So we're gonna do this one right here. I'm gonna line it up and just push this in. Sorry, this first one you're not gonna be able to see me do it. Start with just melting this in. Sweet smell of burning plastic. Okay. Okay, now that that's hardened, we'll do this side. This is the important part. It's fine if it, you know, it's moving now. But once it sets, you want this to be perfect. I let go. Dang it. It's okay. You melted into it. Push it in good. Sorry, this stuff just smells really bad. We need a little bit more. Probably should have put this on a box or something so I could do this a little easier. There we go. It's like hot glue, kind of. You just let it dry. Hopefully that holds. So that's just one of them. This will probably take me an hour plus to do. And each time I'm gonna be pushing this together. Maybe even I'll heat this up a little more, adjust this in. And just kind of go from there. So it's kind of a long process. Hope you guys enjoyed this part here. Let's go ahead and, should we do another one in the corner? Let's see where we should do our next one. Thinking down in here. Well, I'm gonna go around and add more of these pieces up in here, and then I'll show you guys at the end. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you later.